Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. And as you can see, I went to the $1.25 tree. First thing I saw was the anchor and starfish wreath form. Never saw that before. And check this love sign out. Did you guys ever see this? I've never ever seen this before. I thought it was kind of cute. Well, at the end of this video, I'm going to ask you, which of these items do you think I might have purchased during my visit today at the Dollar Tree? Party favors. These are necklaces. I looked at these things. I was like, you know what? Those would be cute for some earrings. But did I purchase it? You'll have to wait and see, darlings. I think they're cute. I love the colors. There's the rest of the Mardi Gras beads over there. I'm sorry you can't really see them because I'm far away because I am in my wheelchair taking this video. Galvanized. If you like Galvanized, man, this is the place for you to be today. I wonder, did I get any of these things? I don't know. Did I? I don't know. You can see my reflection in there while I'm trying to take the video of the galvanized items over here. They really have a lot. Yes. All right. Now we're over here at the wood section, which was really in the same section as the galvanized items. But they had a lot of wood today. Look at the animal wood ones. I'm like, wow, they really are doing farmhouse. Okay. No lack of animals over here. You got the wood plaques. I'm going to show you those a little bit closer in a bit. But look at all these blocks. Look at all this wood. You have picture frames. You have all kind of shapes, stars and hearts and flowers and all kind of things, words and trucks and all kind of things. Then you have these octagon shaped things. Is it an octagon? Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So it's not an octagon. It's a hexagon. Get it together, Lady T. I wonder did I get any of those though. I wonder did I get that. Did I get that? That's a wood item too. And it has the front side where you could do wet, dry, erase, Now, here's those wood plaques I was talking about. Look how thick they are. Man, oh, Chevas, look how thick they are. Wow. For $1.25? I wonder did I get any of those. Yeah, they have 3 different shapes. Did I get that? I don't know. I can't tell you right now. You're going to have to guess. Look at these lovelies. Aren't these gorgeous? You can do so many things with these. Yes. I love these little things. I wonder did I get any? Did I get any of these? I don't know. All right. I saw some crafters haul these, but that was the only one they had. I wonder did I get it? Uh-oh. Die cuts. Here we are with the die cuts. Look how pretty they are. So many different ones. Leaves and crosses and keys and butterflies. And I love them all, honey. I wonder did I get any of those? Here's some more. Here's some more die cuts. I'm telling you, Crafters Square is showing out. They are taking over the $1.25 store. Look at this. Look at this. Just look at this. I'm trying to tell you. If you like this kind of stuff, you need to be at the Dollar Tree. Tags, chalkboard tags. Come on now. I wonder did I get any of those. I like them. Look at these stencils. OMG. Look at that. Hearts. Hearts. Got some more things on there. I don't usually do stencils, but I wonder did I get any of them. I don't know. Crafter Square. It's another stencil. These are all flowers. And it's black. You see? You saw the black? I wonder did I get that. I don't know. Because, I don't do stencils, but I don't know. Here they are. The faux leather. The brown. The black. Is that blue? I can't even tell. I don't even know. The white. Oh, that white is crisp. I wonder did I get any of those, though. I don't know. Look at the little ones. These are the short ones. This is vinyl paper, though. These are small, like for the Cricket Joy. But look at the colors. Well, this is the longer ones, but I love the color. Do you think I got any of these? Look at this color, and it's sparkly. What? Vinyl paper. What? Look at these other colors over here. I'm going to get them a little bit closer for you. Some of them. Because, again, I'm in my wheelchair, and these are hanging up. So, they weren't easily accessible for me. But look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Rose gold. Look how sparkly that is. OMG. Look at this aqua color. I love it. What? And this is black. Y'all, did I get any of these? I don't remember. Let me see. Oh, wow. And this is transfer paper. I wonder did I get any of these. Have any of y'all used the transfer tape? Let me know if it's any good. I don't know. I may have to go back and get some. I don't know. Okay, here's the galvanized numbers. There's only one number per pack, so you have to get two if you need more of the numbers. The same thing with the alphabets. This goes from A to M. The other one goes from N to Z. So you're going to have to get several packs of those, okay? These are wood numbers. Wood numbers. You're still going to have to get a couple of packs. And these are the Scrabble numbers. Look at this. A football wreath. I wonder did I get that. I wonder did I get any of those numbers or those alphabets, because you know, I don't know. Look at these iridescent votive cups. Aren't they gorgeous? And y'all, I say, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. For tie-dye shirts. I've been looking for these since last year and the year before last, and everybody was doing it. You know. I wonder did I get any though. Man, they only had 3 colors. Now, here's the stickers, okay? I took my time looking through these stickers. They had on rub-on stickers. They had regular stickers. They have all kind of things over there. Did I get any though? I don't know. Did I get any of those? You know, y'all have not seen me do anything with stickers, so I don't even know if I got any. What's the point? I never do them. I wonder did I get any though? Maybe I want to try something new. I don't know. Oh my gosh, these are iron-ons. You got to be kidding me. It said, but first coffee. Look at this little thing. A slug. Whatever it is. All of these are iron-on that I'm showing you right now. Look at that. Look at that. A little girl would be happy to have that on her shirt. Look at this. Says hope. Look at that. Iron-on. From the $1.25 store. My craft sister Cynthia calls it the 4 for $5 store. You get 4 items for $5 now. And look at this iron-on. Look at the flamingo. The flamingo. He wants to dance. He wants to dance. Okay. Here's another iron-on. I thought this was so cute. Look at this. Adventure awaits. Yes, it does. I wonder did I get any of these things. Now, these little drawers, I have seen a lot of crafters use these, but they only had 2 different sizes, and they were stuck somewhere. If I hadn't gone back through the store, I would have never seen them. And these nets, we used to use these when I was younger. Like, I was in my early 20s. We used to use these back in the day. Now, I need y'all to tell me what y'all think I got from this $1.25 store. They still frauding talking about Dollar Tree. No, the $1.25 store, y'all. All right. Here we are again at the $1.25 store. Let me say thank you so much for watching. But if you made it to the end, can you guess which items I purchased? Leave it in the comments. Bye.